Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain on Namecheap, and it's actually pretty simple. So first of all, you of course want to sign up to Namecheap, and after you are logged in, you want to go here on the home page and you want to register a domain. So you want to search for a domain that you want to buy. Let's search for my channel, for example. So I already bought a domain like this. As you can see, this is the price. You can actually buy a XYZ domain only for $2 per year, or something like info and so on. If you want something like IO, org, net, or even com, as you can see, this one is taken, so you cannot use it. But basically, you will go through all of these, and when you find a domain you want to buy, so let's choose that XYZ, you add it to cart. After this, you go to your checkout, and right here, as you can see, there's domain registration. You can choose it for 5 years, 2 years, or 1 year. So for now, let's choose it 1 year. You can actually turn off the auto renew if you don't want it. Now the domain privacy is for free, and yeah, that's that. Now after that, you want to confirm your order. There's a lot of add-ons here, add-ons which you can actually also purchase. Then you want to confirm your order. Now when you're here, you can actually add a card, a new card, and basically purchase the domain like that. Or you can scroll down and choose a PayPal option, for example. When you choose PayPal, you just basically click continue, and after that you will log into your PayPal account and pay for your domain. And that's how you buy a domain on Namecheap. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.